Now we are going for the next chapter, and next chapter is directing. First we have to know about what is the meaning of directing. When we are get the information or the instruction about the any way or any work, that is called directing. It means the group of instruction is called directing. When we are going to just instruct any person to go and do this type of work or go and do work on that machinery, that things is called directing. Directing is the only process, beta. It's a process. It's a not any system. It's a process by which we are going to motivate or instruct the person to do your work in your way. Okay, beta, that is called directing. You are giving the direction, you are giving the words, instructions, guidance for the others. That is called like a directing. When we are talking about the one definition, exact definition about the directing is beta, directing is the information or set of command which we are given for our works. Okay, to the whom? To the staff. By that we want to finish our work. Okay, beta, it's a only simple process by which we are trying to motivate or control the person by which we can fulfill our object. Okay, beta, that system is called, that instructions is called directing. Okay, clear? Okay, Supi. Next point is
features, characteristics of directing
okay, we are
function.
going for the features. First feature is beta,
Directing initiates action.
directing initiate action. We are giving the direction or directing to the person for the work, not for only other things. Only for the work. Means what type of work we needed, by that persons we are giving the direction. As like that, we will know what the plan. First we are going to make the plan, and then we are giving the direction or directing the person on which way we are or you are going to do this system or this work. Because directing always just affecting the his work, effort. Okay, beta. Next.
Continuing function.
It's a continuous process. Okay, beta. Why? Because work is going on continuous. When work is going on continuous, the instructions for that work is also going on continuous. Because in the business, all planning, you are making the plan, you are just fulfill the system, you are followed your plan, then plan is running in your business, and that is going on the continuous way. And for the fulfilling of that plan by the worker or by your employee, you are going to do the instruction continuously. So we can say that directing is a continuous process. Okay, beta. Next.
Directing takes place at every level.
Okay, beta. That directing place, that his place on every level. I think you well know about the three level is there: top level, middle level, and supervisory level. Okay, beta. Top level, middle level, and supervisory level. Okay. So this directing is work on all level. On the top level, the owners will give in the directing for the others. On middle level, the operational manager, operational worker giving the directive to his juniors. And on the lower level, this directing is given by the manager for doing of the work to his workers. Okay, beta. So these directing is working on the all level, top, middle, and lowers. Next.
Directing flows from up top to bottom.
Yes. Directing is just going on the top to bottom, because no bottom person or lower level person will give the direction to the upper level person. Beta is always directing is going the top to bottom. When the top level person or manager will give the direction to his worker, that worker will not give the direction to his manager. Beta. Okay, only manager or top level person will give the direction to the worker or lower level person. It's going on the top to bottom only. That flow is going on top to bottom only. Okay, beta. Next.
Performance oriented.
This directing is given for the work, and this successful will got by the performance. If by the directing we will get the good things, we will get the fulfill our goals, so then that directing is good. Otherwise, if by the directing we are not able to achieve our targets, that is not useful. Okay, beta. Next.
Human element.
Here, we are not going to give the direction to the machine. We are not going to give the direction to the building. We are going to give the direction to the person only. Okay, human being. We are trying to motivate the human being. We are trying to give the direction to the human being. Okay, this direction is only work on the human being. For the machine, we are only going to the switch off and find switch off the buttons. But for the person, we needed the directing. Okay, beta. Next.
Importance of directing function.
Next topic is importance of directing function. Okay. First is
To initiate action.
to initiate action. When you will make the plan is working, but some problem is coming. So for the solving of that problem, for just fulfill that finishing of that problem, or taking of the initiate action, just action, we need the directing. By the directing, we are giving the direction, we are giving the right way to the person, our workers, our employee, on which way they are going to start working, by which they are easily got his goal. Okay, beta. Next.
To integrate employees' efforts.
Okay, integrate employee effort. Employee is going do his work only. Okay, beta. But when they are doing his work in the right way, then that effort is working like a work. Okay, but they are not working in the right way. They are not giving his effort in the right way. So that effort is not good. That effort is not useful for the business. So by the directing, manager will try to the just effort of the worker in the make in a right way, or motivate in the right way. That work is done by the directing. It's the importance. It's the importance of the directing. Okay, beta. Next.
Means of motivation.
This directing is not like that you are going and give the instruction, or going to just give the punish him. No, directing is like a motivation. Okay, like a motivation. By this directing, we are trying to motivate the person, because that is not, they are not the machinery. Okay, they are the person. Okay, so only the way of motivation by which we can fulfill our work by the other person or our workers. Okay, beta. So motivation is very important, and which way we are going to motivate the person? By the directing, we can motivate the persons. Okay, beta. Next.
Bring stability and balance in the organization.
Okay, by the directing, we are trying to motivate the all person, top level, middle level, lower level, and by which we are trying to maintain the equality of the all. Maybe they are worker, maybe they are manager, maybe they are some other post, but by the directing, we are trying to motivate the persons and make equal for all the business. Okay, beta. Next.
To facilitate change.
Okay, when any new change will coming in a business, so by the directing, we are trying to instruct the person how we will utilize or take this change in our business, in our system, in our operation. Okay, beta. How we are going to utilize this change very easily? By the direction. Okay, beta. By the direction, we try to motivate or instruct the person what things they will do, by which they are easily utilize this or easily face these type of change will come in a business. Okay, beta. Next.
The elements of directing.
Okay, first element is
Supervision.
supervision. Okay, before the giving any type of instruction, the word is supervision. Supervision means before the starting of directing, first we are going to supervise our supervision or see the work is going on a systematic way or not, because plan will run, plan is going on a system. So first we are going to see that plan will work with his 100% systematic way or not, then if that plan will not work, then we are going for directing. The system, the way by which we are going to see that things, that plan working or not, that is called supervision. Okay, beta, that is called supervision. Next.
Motivation.
Then when any problem will come, if the plan is not going on the right way, then we are going just start to directing, just start to giving the instructions, giving the direction to our employee, to our person, to our staff. Okay, beta, try to motivate the persons. If we have some problem, we are not going in the right way, just change your way, change your effort, then others way by which we can going on the right way. Okay, beta, next.
Sir, few interrelated terms in motivation.
Okay, up to this, now,
Sir, two more elements are there, communication and leadership.
okay, first we are going to explain that communication and communication. What is communication? By the way by which we can make understand the other person what we want to say, that is called communication. Okay, beta, what you want to say, if you are make understand the other person, that is called communication. Okay, clear? Next, beta.
Leadership.
Leadership. And how they are easily to motivate, how they are going to utilize your direction, work on your direction. When you are work as a leader, the person, they are trying to motivate one group, the person, those are work for the some group, and the group is working for that person or following that person's, that is called, that person is called leader, and his working is called leadership. Okay, beta, clear? Up to this is clear, beta? Okay.